Introducing the Vents US Micra 100 Wi-Fi, the pinnacle of ductless ventilation technology. This revolutionary unit tackles a problem many overlook, enhancing your indoor air quality, boosting comfort, and reducing pollen, allergens, and pollutants that can threaten your health. Designed for spaces up to 1,350 square feet with average ceiling heights, the Micra 100 is a single-room energy and heat recovery ventilator featuring a cross-flow core. With an airflow capacity of 59 CFM and efficiency ratings up to 90% for energy recovery units and up to 96% for heat recovery units, this unit excels in performance. Equipped with two EC fan motors, the Micra 100 delivers continuous airflow while consuming less than 60 watts. Enjoy pure air with two built-in removable MERV 8 and MERV 14 filters, as well as an optional HEPA filter upgrade for an even greater purification if desired. It also features an extra knockout spigot for optional bathroom exhaust ventilation. Control is effortless with a built-in touch panel or remote control. Plus, with Wi-Fi connectivity, you can manage your Micra 100 from anywhere using the Vents Home app on Android or iOS devices. The Micra 100 operates year-round in temperatures between -4 degrees Fahrenheit and 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Its smart features include frost prevention, filter replacement alerts, an alarm indicator, speed settings, a timer, and a weekly schedule. The unit also comes with a built-in drain tube to drain any condensate that builds up within the unit. Operation is simple yet effective. Outside air passes through the filters and heat exchanger, while stale indoor air also travels through, conditioning the incoming air to recover lost heat or cold without any contamination. Elevate your indoor environment with the Vents US Micra 100, where superior air quality meets unmatched comfort. Discover more at www.vents-us.com. Breathe easy with the Micra 100.